I did not kill my husband. Wife of Lagos associate Kayode Badru cries out. Mrs. Kofoworolo Badru, the wife of late Lagos associate Kayode Badru, was on Thursday, July 1st, arrested and detained by his family for allegedly conspiring with his pastor to burn him to death. Recall that the Lagos associate died on Wednesday, May 5th, 2021. After his pastor allegedly sprayed perfume on him while holding a lit candle. He had visited the Celestial Church of Christ for prayers and asked to kneel down while surrounded by 7 elders and several lit candles when the unfortunate incident happened. Narrating the ordeal in the hands of the family, specifically his brother Gbenga Badru, Kofoworole said, "My husband's younger brother claimed I conspired with the pastor to roast my husband to death because of his properties. He wrote a petition against me at Alagbon police station. In the petition, it was written that I don't have family and I am an orphan, and I conspired with the pastor to kill my husband because of money. They also accused me of moving and selling things from the house the night my husband died. I was picked up on the 1st of July, which is the first day I went out of the house after my 41 days mourning. I was made to sleep at the station even after I told them I have a 1-year-old baby, and I was only released on bail the next day, being July 2nd, and I've been asked to report at the station tomorrow, Monday. On the night my husband died, while we were at the mortuary, my husband's brother claimed that I didn't greet him and he beat the hell out of me, despite knowing I recently had a surgery. The whole family came to the house the following day and ordered everybody out, and they wanted to lock the house. They arrested me even though they knew I have no relationship with the pastor. They also claimed I bribed the officers at Panti not to give them the autopsy results. I'm very scared. I have 2 kids, aged 3 and 1. My body has been shaking since that day up till now. I'm traumatized. My people, una hear wetin dey happen for Naija, my country. Una remember this Kayode Badru, that Lagos socialite wey die for Celestial Church. As he kneel down, they dey pray for am. The candle when they on, perfume come enter, na the man take go in early grave. Him wife don cry come out. Mona no vex if I no pronounce the wife name well, I no be Yoruba. Kofoworola Badru don cry come out say if family members, the man family, don arrest her and they don beat the hell out of her. Say she get hand for the death of her husband. Say na she go bribe the pastors that they make sure say they spray perfume if the man hold candle. The woman don cry out say she no know 1, no 2 about wetin happen to im husband. Say she no get any connection with those pastors. People react for the video say na war for Nigerians, like religion kill somebody and una dey attack the wife. People still talk say it is better to marry a bad man with a good family than to marry a good man with a bad family. My people, I'm short of words. This woman is going through a lot. How can you accuse a woman who just undergone a surgery under 1 year? Una know say this woman newly born, una beat her, carry am go station, say she get hand. Why? Because of property, and because they know fully well say this woman na orphan, she no get family. My people, things dey happen for this country where people get mind like this. How can a family members treat the wife of their late son like this? Man wey marry this woman, when e dey alive, una no talk bad thing about am. The man don kpeme now, una just wan carry property. Then una for do am in a right way down, beating this woman and arresting her for nothing. God, this man leave him wife for bad people hand. The family of this man no do this thing well at all, because as a man, draw a line between your family and your siblings. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. Thank God for my own siblings. This now wetin people dey write, like these people talk say the family of this man not do well at all. So even fair go arrest this woman fully, make they go arrest the pastor. As wetin people talk, they go arrest the pastor. How can you blame the wife of this man say na him get hand, na him go bribe the pastor when be say na him make the incident happen that day? May my people, make una leave una comment for the comment section, and I go drop the video of the burial ceremony. Mona see how this woman even cry on that day. Like that your younger brother should be investigated. Yes, I think he knows what happened to his brother. This na another comment from person. That in brother when he say na he dey talk say she no greet her the day when him husband die. Like na the brother still arrest her. That man, they really need to investigate am well. He need the brother property. He just want put allegation for this his wife head. So my people, make una leave una comment for the comment section. How una see how this family of Kayode Badru maltreat this woman, how why they arrest her? Leave your comment at the comment section, guys. God bless you.
Mama,